Mixing olive oil with honey can lead to a powerful combination that may benefit your health in various ways. This mixture is easy to prepare and can be stored for a long time without losing its efficacy. To prepare it, simply mix 100 milliliters of warm water with 2 tablespoons of natural honey until fully dissolved. Then add 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and mix well. Let the mixture sit overnight to ensure it blends properly. This combination offers several health benefits. 1. Improved digestive system. It aids digestion, relieves constipation and bloating, and promotes beneficial bacteria in the intestines while preserving liver health. 2. Weight loss and fat burning. It helps burn accumulated fat, reduces appetite, and boosts metabolism. 3. Strengthen immune system. Rich in nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron. It strengthens the immune system and fights germs and viruses. 4. Cardiovascular health. It reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers harmful cholesterol levels, and improves blood circulation. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. It helps alleviate inflammation, especially in conditions like arthritis. 6. Enhanced memory and brain function. Regular intake may improve memory, prevent Alzheimer's disease, and boost brain function. 7. Increased energy. It provides a quick energy boost, fights fatigue, and maintains blood circulation. 8. Cancer prevention. Its antioxidants may help prevent cancer by eliminating free radicals and limiting the spread of cancer cells. 9. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. It acts as a natural antibiotic, killing microbes, viruses, and fungi in the body. 10. Improved skin and hair health. Applying the mixture can lighten skin, reduce aging signs, and strengthen hair, reducing hair loss and breakage. To make the most of this mixture, use high-quality extra virgin olive oil and natural honey. Store it in an opaque container in the refrigerator for up to 2 months to preserve its benefits. Take a spoonful on an empty stomach in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, for optimal results. By choosing the right ingredients and following these steps, you can enjoy the many health benefits of olive oil and honey combined.